presentation. Before we presentation, we will introduction. His name is Safri and his name is my name is Delia.
Introduction. This project focuses on the key concept of force, motion, and momentum from the theory of physics. It aims to help students understand the force and motion, how to calculate the value, and the importance of momentum conservation in real-life application.
Objectives. Understand the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. Use the second law. Investigate how unbalanced forces change the motion of an object. Demonstrate the principle of conservation of momentum in collisions. And apply the concepts of motion and momentum to real-life situations. Procedure. Measure the mass of both trolleys or cars. Place the trolleys on the track facing each other. Push one trolley towards the other and record the velocities before and after the collision. Calculate momentum before and after each collision to test conservation.
Question you may wonder, how does friction affect the accuracy of the result? Friction affects the accuracy of the result by opposite motion, which can lead to discrepancies between experimental and theoretical values and reviews. How can this experiment improve? By being focused and careful on measuring and carrying out the work.
Conclusion. Through this project, students will gain hands-on experience with the principles of force, motion, and momentum. They will better understand how physics governs everyday phenomena and how experimentation will support theoretical laws.
Thanks. Sorry if there are any in our words and goodbye.
Okay, any questions? Okay, give applause to them.
Okay.